Hello everyone, so today I've got an unboxing video of this Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. It is the 128GB model in Burgundy. So yeah, let's take the bubble wrap off before taking a look around the box. I have a pair of scissors right here. Okay, so let's put the bubble wrap aside. And here we have the box. S22 in front. The S is color coded to the color of the phone that you get. Since this is the burgundy color, the S is in burgundy. Same goes for the Galaxy S22 Ultra on the left side. It is also color coded. So yeah, on the bottom it says Galaxy S22 Ultra. On the right it says Samsung, and on the back you have the information regarding the phone itself. Okay, so take the top off, and right on top we have the phone itself. This looks quite nice. Let's put it aside. More stickers, or sticker if you will. And right in here we have the SIM ejection tool. The USB-C to USB-C cable, and all the paperwork. This one tells you what's in the box, how to set it up. You have the warranty card and basically this one in a different language. Okay, so let's boot it up for the first time. Welcome. It's asking for the language, English United Kingdom. Start. For your review. Okay, privacy policy and user license agreement. Okay. Agree. Okay. Okay, so let me just enter the Wi-Fi. Okay, so Wi-Fi has been entered. Okay, so now it's asking to copy apps and data. Don't copy for now. Google account sign in. Skip for now. Skip. Google services, location, so on and so forth. Okay. Accept. Protect your phone. Okay. Fingerprints. Continue. Just gonna set a screen lock for now. Okay, so I've entered the PIN, so let's do the fingerprint. Okay, fingerprint added. Next. Don't for now. Next. Samsung account, skip. You're all set up. Finish. Okay, so it's all set up. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing video of this Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 128GB in Burgundy. Thanks for watching and goodbye.